This is week 2 of swing time. We started with reviewing a basic 6-count tuck turn. Keeping mindful that we rotate open on the rock step. Tuck, switch, rock step. We added the hand switch at the top. Step, step, rock step, tuck, switch. So we could go into skaters. Rock step, tuck, exit, rock step. The key that we found to skaters after we switched was after the rock, it's rock lead, my palm goes to the back of her hand, which goes to her hip to bring her into skaters. When we exit, we rock open, which sets up a natural tuck, turn for her to get out. Also, we did the dip. Lean in. Step, let go, roll open, come in, snug. This is up to the leads. Down, up, roll out, rock step, back to the base. Chain, lock, down, up, back, rock step. Then we closed with the inside turn from closed to closed. Step, step, open, step, step, open, step, step, open, step, step, open, step, step, rock step. All right, thank you very much. See you next week.